Okay. Hey guys, great to see you here. Well, I got some good news as we finished all routes from the normal routers and path finding how to collect it from the routers, how to make it, how to build it, and the authentication with the emails, resetting password, everything is also all finished now. Let me 1 second carefully select what I want to show and what not. As I can do this one and also yeah, okay. And once again, guys, clicking some things where I don't want to accidentally show. And okay. Well, as to show that we made a lot of progress, I've been greatly building. Gonna be showing a couple things. Let me share my screen as I'm also recording. As I don't want to share too much, so just click some things away. What we got now is yeah, like I said, all aggregators, all things are finished. Wait, second one. I believe that's this one. As I just click the other screens away. As to show that it's finding the right path, it's finding the right prices. Everything is set up correctly, and it also directly finding. Yeah, I got a couple faulty things. It's like, and it's directly finding the prices and trades. You can see, like, I got a couple of them. In other script, I also got them repaired. But so as you can see, it's finding swap exact tokens. It's finding prices of the tokens itself. It's also finding the outputs of the trades. So let me show you the second part. This is the only thing that I need to finish, then everything is ready. And I was also working on an extended version, but there's still an error in that. 1 second. And the only thing that I now need to finish is that we have so much data. We have like hundreds of thousands of pools and things in the database from everything. And I now just must make sure that everything is correct connecting. So we made sure, like as you can see, repairing the things that were missing in the last DB. So it's like getting repaired. It's adding the missing decimals, and total tokens is 1677. So then the thing I want to show that yeah, we haven't stood still. So it's making pads. It's also making the quotes. It's checking reserves with everything. So it's saying nicely how much it got. And the things that we have wrong here. This was also an older script. I was working on something else. The only thing that we have missing now is that 1 second. I can show that here. Yeah. And yeah, what we're making. Wait, I'm not going to be showing that, by the way. What we're making is that parts where. Let me go just back here. This one takes a little bit of time because it's also calculating the pads. But the only thing that I'm now missing is that it can find all trades. It can find all things, as you can see it like here. I believe I haven't stopped this one. So this one's just continuing finding right prices, finding yeah, the outputs of everything. What is the trades making tuples making trades, as I can show per example. I believe this one's now going further. Okay, let me show one thing. As per example, oh, I need to be here. It can make, like I said, it takes a little bit. It can make trades profitable, and it is yeah, making a lot of them and merging it together. But I believe I'm so bad with waiting, guys. Come on. Normally I run multiple scripts in the same time, but let me go. I think it's slowing down because of the zoom. Normally it's like speedy, but and if you see like execution reverted no data, that means that the dex it's swapping on is doesn't have that pair. Let's call it like that. And 1 second, as I wanted to show a little bit, but not too much. We have a lot. No, I'll wait for this to continue. I think that so as you can see now, it's missing a little bit of data. This is like to build the whole plan into I say that into one part. I've made like yeah total dex analysis of the chain, where it's now only yeah, it's not going fast now, but it's gonna be flying in a little bit, and where it's yeah, I must make sure that it takes all the data. So as an example, it's in the doc profit. It is missing token A, token B. Per example, profit I've showed many times. I can show that here. You have here token pair ID. You have here quote token ID. And here you have like base token ID. Like it's small mismatches in name now. I already have a lot of them functional, as I showed a little bit in the pictures before. And it's like those small mismatches in name. It's really slow because of the zoom. Normally it's like flying. Let me click this one away for a second. So where it's now I also made the fix because we have a lot of data. Like per example, I can show that also. Here you have like base token ID. If we're gonna be going to let's go here. Routes. I've also shown routes many times. And here we have like also code token ID. Okay, 1 second. If we go to V2 trades, it is pool address, it is base address. In another thing, it's base address because it comes from many different places. Like per example, oh no, not here. Per example, here it is also base address, but there's like small mismatches in the DB. That's the only thing where it's now running a little bit faulty at, but it's still making trades. It's still finding them, as you can see here, like making it, adding it to the graph. But it's so much mismatch now. Like if I run it, it's skipping thousands of trades. So I'm now, how you say it, making the matches do correctly. I was thinking like I build it in one script and I do it perfectly, but I now like gather all the raw data and I do it per how you say it, per collection, because I was trying to do everything in once and make it, and I was getting a little bit of weird outcomes. Wait, I can show that a little bit. Let me only show that. So as you can see, like this is continuing, it's going faster. I also have one like that. I already was implementing the chains. I already was, like I said, I was a little bit further, but then came the zoom, and that's like super speed. 1 second. There was this. And this one is going rapidly, going through it. But because of the mismatches and me trying to do everything in once, it is like flying through it, saying like, oh, not having it, not having it, not having it. Where it's supposed to be like, this is also going a little bit faster. You can still see the fix. I must also make sure that it's going to be doing the fix first instead of just trying to fix it at the end. But let me also show that. Like a total of 1677 tokens. And this one's going to be a lot faster. Like you can see it already. Oh, you can see him already flying here. Kijk, yes, you can see like it's going, but it's putting them in invalid pools. Like this is the normal speed, but I was just making sure that it's checking a little bit. But the only thing that I'm now going to be doing is I already made the fix. Is now I'm setting them up. Oh, he's going so fast. 1 second, guys. Let me click this one away before I don't know what happens. So the only thing that I'm going to be doing now is I made the script that has all the collections, puts it in raw data, puts it in one file, and then I'm going to be manually putting in the rest. Then the trading is going to be finished for the aggregators, and for most of the aggregators, for 1inch, for Paraswap, and also for Pearlfee and Firebird. So that's all going to be corrected. And then it's then we're going to be putting up the trades. This is now the only hurdle left, because the flash loans, everything is ready, everything is calculated. I can also, like this one, I also love to show. I believe if I go here, like 1 second, guys. I go like this, and then I believe registry 3. And otherwise, was alpha registry 3. And like I said, it's the only thing I now need to be setting up is how to connect the. Oh no, it was alpha registry 3. Oh. But you can also see it here, like we have not stood still. A little bit up. Oh, let me go a little bit more up. As you can see here, we have 51 routers loaded. So I was definitely working in the background. And let me only 1 second, what I wanted to show. Alpha registry. It's been a battle. But also for every pair, every pool, everything for the flash loans, we have it all calculated. What I got calculated, I'm not going to be showing. But this is going to be tapping up, and you're going to be seeing that it's directly taking all tokens possible. And you can see like it's all the scripts I move in pieces. But the only thing that's now going to be doing is I'm going to be correcting the path. Then the path is correct for every dex, every pool, every aggregator contract I made. Then it can all connect with each other. Then I'm going to be putting it on the contract connected so it can see the live prices. And Web Spender is, I believe he told me that he's now finishing up with all authentication. And the only thing he is going to be needing, I hate the wait, I cannot stand that. But the only thing that is going to be needed is then to connect. But I also talked with the Sandberg clan, and I said that I'm going to be now finishing up the script that I showed, which is connecting the pads. And then I'm going to be putting it up to to the trades, so that there is going to be oh one second, is this one? Oh no, this is another one. Okay, well, I'm not going to be showing that anymore. But there's a lot of things we've added, and also I think for the trades, the registration, everything we're going to be testing tomorrow, because we got to make sure that people is going to be placed in the correct groups, and also that they have that it looks great on the screen. And for the putting it open for the people, I think it's going to be this week. Let me check it. Yeah, I think it's going to be this week. Web Spender said he needs 2-3 days to put to connect everything. So let me check it. So there's going to be more updates following tonight, but I thought I really have to make like soon, because I've been away for weeks, and I can't always say like I'm not there. So those are the updates. I'm going to be uploading the video also to Zoom. I'm going to be checking the chat. And like I said, we have the V3 ready, we have the V2 ready. I've also built multiple bridges to connect. And the only thing is now the pads. I've also have a lot of things already finished. But I want to make sure that everything is easy as ABC, because now there's a lot of manual pad making involved, and everything just must be smooth. So let me check the chat. I don't have an idea how much we can earn a day, but it's finding thousands of trades now, and also have direct pull data and many live price feeds. So it's definitely looking positive. I am going to be I think tonight when I finish this, I'm going to be making like a quick script for the Sandberg clans, that they can show how to work with it. And then I'm also going to be putting some updates out on how the trades are working, how it's going. So I think I need a couple more days for the trading to finish this. This is what I'm doing now. I think it's going to be today, because I'm almost finished with it. I just need to do it in steps and not try everything at once. And then I'm going to be putting up the tradings and the flash loans, because that is all set up properly as well. I think 1 second, if I go here, I think this one. And let me share my screen, and then I'm going to be closing the Zoom. And I believe this one. And other one, otherwise. I hate the load. This was I move on with the load. 1 second. Oh. Well, this one is loading. The other one I clicked away by accident. This one is also with pulling. This one's also shown. But you know what? I'm gonna be doing it later, and I'm gonna be how shares start this week. I have to say that the trading, everything is finished. The only thing is going to be waiting is the connecting of the contracts. I asked WebSpender, he said it's gonna be taking 2-3 days. So I'm gonna be doing that a little bit. I'm going to be updating on that tonight also. But for the easy trades, we're going to be building it. The first plan was to deploy everything ready and go for it. But we're going to be building it in steps. So it's going to be the easy trades, which I'm now setting up. It's going to be like a click and connect. And then people can already trade with the basic things while we upgrade and add later on. So that's like people in an amazing community is like around 2,500 people, I believe. So more updates is gonna come on that. 1 second, guys. Let me show. So I'm gonna be the trading. It was definitely helped, because I had like so much problems with getting all the correct amounts for flash loans and for tokens that do not, how you say that? natively support flash loans. And also there was an issue with 1 inch. It was such a hell to decode 1 inch because normally everybody has a factory, everybody shares their data, but 1 inch says we have an API. Go to the API, buy it, and then you can trade with us. So I had to like decode 1 inch from the start. Definitely made it succeed, but it took more days than I hoped for. Let me 1 second see if I had one more thing I wanted to show. Yes. Well, to show a little bit, the last thing I wanted to show. Let me go here. Like you can see, like all routers loaded, all reserves loaded, and then also like it is ready for for the pools and for the flash loans. Also, I believe. Let me see what the other one is now saying. Oh yeah, as you can see, also like we have many other things as well. Ready? Like I made the script faster in the beginning, and they were running a lot slower. So like it's storing all data. I must 1 second add this one here. Oh. Guys. Okay. Well, he doesn't want to go back. We're gonna do it later. So yeah, we have everything decoded. We have everything, all signatures ready. So it's not like I have to fight anymore. You can see it also here. We got like 7 different routers of 1 inch, many other things, and also some things you can see here. So it's gonna be I'm gonna be updating tonight with showing the progress because I only need to clear the path. Then all routers can trade dynamically. It's just like it's just gonna be you enter a token, you enter a dex name, you enter a router, and it can all find it automatically without you having to say, oh, you have to look there, you have to look there, you have to look there. So that's the only thing left. Also, I got the flash loans loaded and everything. So I'm going to be updating tonight on where we are now, and I'm also going to be asking WebSpender if it is possible to have it online in 2 to 3 days. In the beginning, I think yes, because the beginning is going to be a little bit less because we also have like bridges to multiple chains. We also have the V4, we also have the V3, but for now we have V2 and V3. I can make like ready, deploy and connect everything perfectly. And then the V3, the V4 I'm going to be adding in later, but it's just going to be like, you won't even notice that there's going to be changes. But it's just going to be like, V2, V3 is ready to do. And aggregators with V2 and V2 is also ready to do. But it's just going to be have a lot more functions coming later. But you won't really notice it because, it's just going to be running smoother. But well, so guys, I can say, wait 1 second. Maybe I want to show one more thing, or maybe just not. And I can say that it took a lot of time, but we have like every router. We have, I believe, when I get this set up, then I'm going to be making sure that the V4 is also going to be set up. Then I'm going to be going to the bridges where we have like the contracts for 17 or 16 bridges ready. So it's definitely it was a wait, but it's definitely going to be there in a good way, guys. So I'm going to be stopping the Zoom now, and more updates going to be coming. And you guys very thankful for the wait and for the waiting. As I always show proudly, I'm a crypto warrior, but it definitely been a battle, guys. That I was almost like that guy working back at the McDonald's. So guys, more updates following tonight. I'm now going to be uploading this video, and I'm also going to be showing tonight that the patch is correctly found, because the only differences that I did now is I was taking the data like from 10 different collections. It was finding 53,000 trades. 54. And then it was saying like, oh yeah, but here is no token A. Yeah, but here is no token address. Here is no this. So it was like a one big mess. So I'm going to be dissecting it in pieces, and then all parts are going to be cleared. So more updates going to be following. And I think tonight I show a video that everything is set up correctly. And I will also ask WebSpanner how long it's going to be for the Web3 to connect it. So it's not going to be weeks anymore, guys. Thanks a lot for your time, and more updates will follow. Bye-bye. You also, my man. Thanks for always the positivity and the love in the chat. Bye-bye.